NIO is going down, and I'm not surprised. I made a video of this, and I was saying I am looking to short NIO if it gets anywhere close to this upper band here. And as you can see, every time we do it, we have some nice, beautiful correction. But this move was a little more overextended, and we are still due for this EMA 20, guys. We have not hit the EMA 20. Anybody that got NIO here shorted it and bought puts or making bank here. This is the pattern I love. I love it to go up, it start going up, and then I start seeing it just coming crashing down. It makes the bulls think, oh, this thing's going to keep running. But I know NIO is not going to be sustainable. I know NIO's going to have a reversion to the mean. I know it's going to get corrected. So as you can see, we went way above this red band here. The candle went way above here, and this is a customized thing to be extremely oversold. Every time we do that, even without time distance, and I'm going to discuss that too, we come crashing down too. There's some good, I'm not going to say crashing, we get a correction. And that's all I'm trying to make. I'm not going to say NIO's just going to keep going down and down. I'm just here to make a gain, get in and get out. And because I know when there's big upside, like when there's big downside, to this EMA 5. Look at this EMA 5. Price is way up here, the EMA 5 is way down here. Well, if you guys know, and you guys watch my videos, and you understand this strategy, we will hit the EMA 5 fast. If it don't do it in 7 daily candles, it's extremely long. So what happens is, I try to say, well, where's the last time we touched the EMA 5? This candle right here is actually not touching it. You would see a clear touch. So we have one candle here that's clearly above this EMA 5. This candle is not touching. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4... and then this 5 candle. I love this setup. It was awesome. It's beautiful. And wow, man, did the Bears, the Bears have a little time to feed. I'm not trying to say you want to play both sides of the coin. If you kept being bullish and bullish, let's say I hope nobody kept buying it when it was up in here. I hope people understand to take their gains, because look at this massive, this is a beautiful red candle, right? I love it. We are still up, but from $7 to 68 cents, you can kind of see what kind of move down would we get. For this thing went down 13% from the very high to the lows. As you can see, that is a very good move. And if you bought puts, that is bank. That is absolutely bank. I always look for 10 to 20% gains, and just keep rinsing, repeating it. Because, this trade here, take the gains, move on. If it wants to go up, I don't give a rep anymore. If it goes back up to this ATR4, I am going to short NIO. I'm going to buy some puts, and it's just there. Since this is a lower price stock, though, I probably wouldn't buy puts. I don't know, the option chain, it's decent. It's got a lot of expirings. I just, it's so low cost, I'd rather just short it, and that'll be easier. So this is NIO. Let me guys know what you guys think. If you guys want to join my education, learn how to do this strategy, get your, because the main thing is I want people to understand why is there imbalance. That's the main thing we have to look at the market. Why is it imbalanced over here? I wouldn't have taken this because we were hugging the EMA 5. But why would I take this trade right here? Because we had EMA 5 time distance. We were way above the EMA 5. We had big distance from here to here. You can see the distance from here. You could draw it and be like, wow, that is a 25% move away from the EMA 5. We haven't touched it in a while. We're hitting this upper band. So it makes sense. Risk versus reward, I'll take puts, I'll take shorts all the day. And if I get stopped out, I get a 20% stop loss. I will do one accumulation here. If it goes up a little more, do a second accumulation. After the second accumulation, I have a 20% stop loss. It either works or it don't. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen in the market, but it is probability game. We know, we play our hand. We're like, okay, we see this, our system works over 90% of the time, so it makes sense to play the risk on this type of trade here. So NIO, I'm sorry guys, I'm bearish here. Like I said, I made a video before. If it ever gets close to this ATR4, I'm shorting it. And so this is what happened here. I would definitely take the gains off here. Yes, it's due for EMA 5, but it could go up and retest. I always say when the market gives you a 10 to 20% gain, the only thing that you can guarantee is you can take that off and not have to worry about it, or it can go back up and you can let a good trade go red. So never do that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are all more than welcome. I try to keep it realistic, transparent. My wins are, we celebrate, our losses we learn from, and that's really all trading is. Proper risk management, using a system that works, and I promise you guys, this system works. I do it full time. time. I enhanced it over the years. I figured out what works, what doesn't work, and I'm always improvising it. So if you guys are members and you watched it, you're always going to get updates to this system. But if you click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. You can find it in the description too. But it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your phone's browser and not through the app or on your computer. Avoid scammers, as I will never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. You can read the testimonies of how a lot of people have made, a lot of money doing this strategy. If you hit server shop in the top of this thing, or you'll see that we have 2 memberships. Definitely do the Day in Swing Trading Plus. I love swing trading. It's really nice, but a lot of the times I make most of my money doing day trades. The big money is actually the day trading, and I have a very nice rule of making 10 to 20% gains fast within literally minutes. So you never have to worry about overnight and be like, is NIO going to go down? And you have to sleep about it. And obviously, if you have too much risk and you can't sleep, then that's your first rule if you went above your risk management. But with this strategy is I give you guys the tools and I teach you guys how to fish so you can make educated decisions on how to make money in the markets. And with times being so rough, we need to have financial freedom. You want to go out and do whatever you want, not have an employer. If I want to go to Italy and trade, I can do that and use this system to make lots of money. Day and Swing Trading Plus, definitely do it. Give it a try, learn it. You'll get access to the both services. If you do it, you'll have day trading education here that I'll teach you guys everything you need to know. You have the swing trading education that'll teach you everything you need to know. The main video right here is the indicator video. Definitely watch that. That'll get your indicators all set up in your chart. It is cheaper if you do it on your computer because you avoid the iOS fee. I also have live streams. You can also join my journal. I'll actually show you the journal real quick here. This is the day trading journal. We have lots of wins in a row. I have started not to do stocks and just strictly stick to indexes because my index plays, I have over 28 wins in a row. And as you can see, the gains just add up and add up and add up. It's really nice. So this is a service that I really recommend. It's the best one. Swing trading is nice, but like I said, you can't control overnight risk. You just got to be very, if you stick to my rules, though, you'll make a lot of money in swing trading too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis on NIO. I think I am bearish every time it hits this ATR4 until it hits this EMA 5. I think EMA 5 you can get a little, you can get a little bounce from it, but you got to understand is we're going to hit the 5, the 10, and the 20. It has to, it will, no matter what, it will do that. That's your reversion to the mean. The algos are going to take it there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Definitely join the Discord. It's a nice community. We have people that I find out in the stock suggestions. They're like, hey, what do you think about this? I'll be like, holy crap, that is a good trade. Like the trade that I did today was Yang, and I was like, wow, that's a nice China ETF. It met my system and it made us bank just because of being a part of a community. Hope to see you guys in the next videos. And like I say, guys, I love making these videos for you. You guys are awesome. I love you guys so much. God bless you all. I hope you guys stay humbled and just live to trade another day, okay? Always respect your roles. With this system, I promise you, you're going to be ahead of the game. All right, peace out, guys.